In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Getresponse account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Getresponse registration page. You can do this by typing Getresponse sign up into a search engine and selecting the official Getresponse website, or by navigating directly to their sign up area if you already have it. Make sure you are on the real Getresponse site before entering any details, so you are registering in the right place. Once the registration page loads, you will see a couple of ways to start. You can enter your email address to create an account, or you can connect using your Google account if that option is available on the page. If you choose the Google option, follow the prompts to select the correct Google account and grant permission, and then return to Getresponse to continue. If you are signing up with email instead, type in an email address that you can access right now. This matters because you will need to open a message in your inbox to activate the account in a moment. Next, fill out the registration form. Enter your full name, confirm your email address if it asks again, and create a password. When you create your password, use something secure and unique. A longer password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good idea. Also, take your time typing, because even a small typo in your email address can prevent you from receiving the activation message. After the form is complete, click the button that says Create Account. Getresponse will process your details and start setting up your new account. Now move to your email inbox and look for the activation email from Getresponse. If you do not see it right away, wait a minute and refresh your inbox. You can also check your spam or promotions folder since automated emails sometimes land there. Open the activation email and click the button inside, which may say Login or Activate. This confirms your email address and activates your account. Once that is done, you will be taken back to Getresponse, and your new account will be ready to use. And that is all there is to it.